everyone, welcome back to Tactical Safety. Today, we're going to talk about the Smith & Wesson M&P 2.0 10 mil with a 4-inch barrel, no thumb safety. I'm going to take you and show you how to disassemble and clean the firearm as well as reassemble. Also going to show you how to change the mag release. Switch to the other side if you're a lefty like myself. So let's get started. And of course, the firearm is unloaded. We've ensured that. So the first thing we're going to do is disassemble it. You lock the slide back, and then from there, the lever right here, you flip it down. Flip down to the 6 o'clock position, and then bring the slide forward. And with this firearm, you have to press the trigger, and then from there, you can release the slide from the frame. And this firearm was not shot recently. It was just cleaned. So basically, to clean it, all you do is you take the guide rod out, you remove the guide rod, and then from there you're going to remove the barrel, which is super simple. Clean that stuff and then put this back like so. And now, because I've already reversed the mag release, I'm going to just take it out and put it back in the same way, because this firearm, like just about all of them, they come with the mag release on the left side because most people are right-handed. Now, this one, like just about all other firearms, the mag release is situated on the left side of the gun because most people are right-handed. So to reverse it, take the frame, and you see inside the frame, just like Glocks, there is a rod that has spring tension. That rod in there, spring tension. Now you have to manipulate the rod and have it in front of the locking tab, or I'm sorry, behind the locking tab. And what that does, then it frees up the mag release lever. Now on Glocks, what you have to do, you have to remove the spring lever. So once you remove it from the locking bar, then you have to take a pair of needle nose pliers and physically remove the entire rod. With the M&P, you just shift it out of the locking tabs, and then you're able to manipulate the mag release lever. So we're going to get this in here. And it's good to have a hook pick set. You have different ones, different types of firearms. So here's the locking bar. Boom, I've already shifted it out of place. So now this only comes out from the left side of the firearm. You can pull this out. Now what you have to do with the bar, you have to then, after it's shifted out of position, you pull it back, and you simultaneously pull the mag release lever. Actually, this goes out the right side. Wait, let me see. Yeah, you got to pull this out a little further to clear it. There we go. And then once you do that, you can switch around to the side, but I'm going to put it back in the same way because it was already set up for me. So putting it back in reverse order, put it in right here, the locking bar, the bar right here. You're going to pull this back with your hook pick tool, pull it back to clear the mag release. Then while pulling it back to clear it, then you're able to shift that back in place. And then once you get it in here, when it's in position, then you take your hook pick tool and you shift the bar back to its designated spot, which there's no way to get this wrong anyway. It shifts right back in place, locks in place. There's no way to mess it up. And then you have spring tension on it. And then to do a functional test of it, you take a magazine, put it in, even though this is a loaded magazine, still doesn't matter. Put it in, tug at it, it locks in. Make sure it releases. Try it a few more times. You take it out again, and you look and make sure the spring lever is still intact, still in the right place, which it is. So now we can go to reassembling the firearm. So now you see the guide rod, the barrel, they're intact. So You line up the slide on the rails. Line up the slide on the rails. Pull it back, pull it back, pull it back, and then one more click. It's fully seated, and from here you want to lock the slide to the rear. Then you want to switch this lever counterclockwise from the 6 o'clock to the 3 o'clock position. It's good. And then also you can test the mag release again. And we're good. And remember, stay armed, stay tactical, and stay vigilant. We'll see you next time.